guys, and welcome back to another video in the house tour series on this channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Victoria, and on this channel today I am going to be taking you through this beautiful 5-bedroom home by Persimmon. It's somewhere in Newcastle and I cannot wait to explore. Like, I'm loving what I am seeing already. Like, the decors are absolutely fabulous. I know that you don't buy a house with a decor except you are buying a show home. However, I'm loving this already. So without further ado, let's get on to exploring what this 5-bedroom new build by Persimmon looks like. This is the entrance to the house, and here we've got a beautiful mirror here just before the hallway. So the hallway leads to the kitchen and also to the bedrooms upstairs. Now to my right side here, I'll just put on the lights. So the lights are actually motion sensitive. I was trying to look for the switch, but then once I stepped in, the lights came on. So this is the lounge or the living room. So this living room comfortably takes 2 sofas. It's got some decors and lamps there, the TV, and also the carpets. We've got the heater there, and I'm moving out now into the hallway. These are beautiful hearts. This is lovely. So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. I guess they are still trying to fix things up here because I don't think this mirror is supposed to be here. Anyway, this is what the kitchen looks like, and it is so big. The kitchen is really big. So that's the dining area, which leads also outside into the garden. And then on this side, we've got the kitchen table, the sink, the boiler. We've got the different cupboards down there. More cupboards. This part is the laundry room, I guess. Is this the laundry room? So I think it's also part of the kitchen because it's got the microwave, the hot water jug, kettle. What's in here? Oh, and the washing machine. Right, so and there's a door here. Oh, right. So this is the visitor's toilet. That's the visitor's toilet. So right now I am going upstairs to check out the bedrooms up here. Wow. So this is a home office. Moving out of here to my right. So we've got a small hallway here also. And this is another bedroom. Beautiful, lovely room. It kind of feels spacious right now, but I guess probably because it's more of a children's room, at least with the decorations and everything, by the time you put in a wardrobe for an adult, it won't really be as spacious as this, but it's not so bad. I mean, we already know how small how small rooms in UK are. And this is the family bathroom. This is beautiful. It's got a small compartment here, probably for laundries that need to be washed. Wow, this is lovely. Now moving on to this bedroom. This bedroom actually looks bigger. I was thinking it's the master bedroom before, but no, it is not. It looks much more bigger. We've got wardrobes here. Moving on to the fourth bedroom. It is also a smaller bedroom, probably another children's room or another child's room. Oh, I love this bed. It's so unique. Oh. Wow. And now let's move to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Oh, I love this. So it looks like a kind of balcony, but then there's really no balcony there, but you can open the door and just stay on the pane there, probably stay on the pane there and just see what's going on. Wow, that's good. So this is the first time I'll actually be seeing like a door in a bedroom. Like usually you see a window for fresh air, but right now this is a door and it's making sense. This is one door, so I guess this is for storage. Oh, right. So this is the wardrobe. And here's another door, another storage compartment. And this is the ensuite. Right, the toilet, wash basin there, and then the shower compartment. go back down. So just under the stairs here, we've got this little storage here too. Wow, it's not actually little. It's a bit big. Wow, it's beautiful. I almost forgot that. So there we have it, a tour of this lovely 5-bedroom home by Persimmon. It is so beautiful, and I think it is spacious enough in its own, in its own way. So this is actually one of the many buildings and show homes that Persimmon has. You can always reach out to them if you want to see more buildings, or you're interested in buying any of their houses. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next house tour. I've got other videos about house tours in the United Kingdom, so if you click on one of these videos showing on your screen right now, I am going to see you in another house tour. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.